Hey everyone! Today I'm here to show you the easiest way to transfer XRP to your Binance wallet. If you're new to investing, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step. First, log into your Binance account. On the top menu, click on Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot. Next, click on Deposit. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose XRP from the list. Here comes an important part. You'll see an XRP deposit tag and an XRP account address. These are crucial. You must use both the address and the tag to ensure your XRP deposit goes through correctly. Okay, let's move on to your wallet where you hold your XRP. Whether it's a hardware wallet, a software wallet, or another exchange, go to the Send or Withdraw function. Enter the Binance XRP account address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Now this is super important. Don't forget to enter the 9-digit XRP deposit tag as well. This tag ensures your funds are credited to your specific Binance account. Double-check everything. Make sure both the address and the tag are correct. This step is crucial because if you send XRP to the wrong address or forget the tag, your funds could be lost forever. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, hit Send or Withdraw. Depending on the network traffic, your XRP should appear in your Binance wallet within a few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully transferred XRP to your Binance wallet. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips.